Hey guys, Glimmer Online. How are you? Hope you're doing great. Today is just after Christmas, so happy holidays wherever you are. Hope you had a good one. Had a couple of weeks off. It was really nice. You can't see, but there's actually a ton of presents behind in the office here, so it's kind of hid a little bit there. All right, so how to build an email list for marketing in 10 minutes, guys. I'm going to show you this. It's so fast with no website and tutorial and resource. I'm going to give you everything you're going to need. All right, so stick around to the end. I'll make you a super special offer. But basically, how we're going to build this email list is we're going to be using Facebook groups. Oh, and if you like videos on how to make money online, make sure you hit subscribe. But this is a really cool method of using Facebook groups. And a lot of people think that those Facebook spam groups are spammy. Well, they are. And a lot of times if you've been doing affiliate marketing, you're posting into them and you're getting people posting all this crap and the spam right onto your posts. So I took that method and I thought, well, how can we make it work for us, right? So first off, I'll show you what kind of I'm getting, sort of the responses I'm getting on here. Okay, so here, let me share my screen here. So you've probably seen, which screen am I on there? Google Chrome. There, is it showing it? There we go. There was probably like a E of me. All right, so you've probably seen a shot like this. You know, post your business link here. Someone may join you, maybe with a URL, something like this. Guys, this model and this spam groups work really well, and I want to tell you the psychology behind this. So you can see that this has 48 comments. Guys, I posted in about 10 or 12, and you'll see 40 comments here, 10 comments here, 4 others, 7 others, 13 others, 3 others, 22 others, 27 others, 11 people. People are friending me and this kind of stuff. So I'm getting a ton of activity. Also, I'll show you over on, a lot of people go, well, yeah, but how are you getting traffic? Well, guys, this website is a brand new website. It's got no juice on the internet at all. And you can see when I started this method, December 25th, there was no traffic, guys. Like there's nothing going on here. Look at this. Amazing, right? And so I've only been running this for a couple of days and it's already brought my traffic up. I'm going to keep pumping it and it's going to just keep driving traffic to it. I'm also doing some stuff in the background. I'm actually using a content builder, which is just automatic content going into the blog section. But all that traffic, guys, is that landing page. Like it's all like 154 on the landing page, right? Or no, that's the language. Where are the pages? Anyways, I was looking at there's a ton that's going. The blog is not generating any traffic right now because there's just there's nothing in the blog. Well, there's stuff in the blog, but there's nothing that's been able to generate organic traffic yet. So the blog's not doing anything. So everything is coming from these posts. I'm posting in the morning and then I'm posting in the evening and that's it. And I'll change the color and I'll change the text a little bit, but everything, they all say something about, leave a link to your business below. Someone might buy something from you and then the link to that page. So what happens on that page? Well, I'm going to show you what that page is, guys. It is this page. So let me change the scene here. Right there. So this scene, this is the page. This is what it is, guys. And I want to give you this page. I will just give it to you. You just need to click on the link and go here. And the first email you get is I'm going to give you the link to have this page as your own. Now, this is a ClickFunnels page, so you can have it for 14 days. So sign up for a 14-day free trial. And if you want, you can just copy it and put it on whatever builder you want. Why the philosophy though? Why I recommend using ClickFunnels is because I want to give you the same swipe and the same emails that I'm using, because you can actually make money from ClickFunnels this way very easily by doing exactly what I'm doing, by giving people this funnel. So basically, you put this on Facebook, right? They come here, they give you their email, boom, you have them on their list. The first email you send them is giving them this page to use as their own. That means they're going to sign up under you for ClickFunnels, right? And I'll show you how to do this. It's really easy. In fact, well, just stick around to the end, because like I said, I have something special for you. So what happens after they put in their email? Well, they are taken to, and I'm gonna, hopefully this will work. So I'll put in an email here, and where does it take me? Here we go. Little pause. Oh, of course. So that's showing me the offer that it's showing me is not found in Canada. So just so you know, so I can try it again. It may, hopefully it's not blocking my IP, because I was testing it earlier. Let's see if it comes up with a different one, because it is on a rotator, the offer. So let's see. No, it's going to give me an error on that. So what it's doing, it's taking me to this offer here, and what it's doing is that it's rotating through a few. Let me see if I can just get it to few offers. Now, you don't have to send it to this offer, guys. I'm just sending it to this offer because this offer is really converting well for me. In fact, I've made a few $100s in just a couple of days with it. So here, there you go. So this offer, so this is one of the offers. I think it has about 5 offers in that rotator. It takes people to these really, really sort of low ticket, high converting offers, right? So now think about it, right? We've let me go back to my screen here. Oops. Sorry guys, the tool that I use has changed their interface, so I have to switch which scene I'm doing. I wonder if I can just do it like entire screen. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so basically, so think of this. I post this up, right? People will post their links below, but the curious ones that are getting started, they're going to go, well, why is he putting this link in this post? I'm going to click it, right? They click it. They are taken to the opt-in page. Where is it here? This one. So they're taken to the opt-in page, which I'm going to give you, and then they're basically taken to an offer, which is converting really, really well, guys. I've been testing a whole bunch of different pages with it, and one of the programs, it's like I think I sent like 30 clicks, like 30 people went through this, so I got 30 emails. When they landed on the page, I had 5 opt-ins for that program, which that program can earn me, like it has high ticket stuff. It can earn me a lot of money. It goes from like a $9 to a $47 to a $300 to a $1,400, multiple streams to a $6,000 package kind of thing. So so imagine 30 people hitting that page, and boom, 5 of them have opted in for that program, including I have their email now, guys. So what am I doing? I'm sending them an email to give them this. So they're going to get introduced to ClickFunnels. I'm also sending them swipes, which I can give you. I'll give you guys that as well. And now if they decide to start using this on ClickFunnels, I'm going to start making a recurring income from their ClickFunnels subscription, right? So that's how it works. So when someone shares a ClickFunnels funnel with you, basically you're becoming a referral of theirs. And of course, unless you already have a ClickFunnels account, then you don't. So that happens too. You can build this in Groove, and you can do it in TDPages. And I'll put some links below for some other ones if you just hate ClickFunnels or you think it's too expensive. I don't think it's too expensive because it's a great money maker. Some people think it is, so it's just like, and people will talk about that. Anyway, so that is basically how, in simple way, to build an email list. Don't need a website, don't need anything. Now the affiliate, for me, I put it on a website, but you don't have to. You can put it right in ClickFunnels, right? You could make it right in ClickFunnels, so it would just be your username, ClickFunnels. It doesn't really matter. Either way, I've just put it onto a blog because I'm going to drive some traffic to the blog. Now, what did I want to give you guys? Here, let me come back on screen here. So where are we at? 10 minutes. There you go. That's the method, guys. That's it. And then you can then promote anything you want to them. Any kind of offer you want to convert, you want to send some ClickBank offers to them, you're going to start emailing them. Now, one thing you will need is an autoresponder. And I've got 2 links below. One is for getResponse, which gives you a 30-day free trial. And the other one is for aWeber. And aWeber gives you a free version now, which is great because they just introduced it. They have a free version now, which you can have up to 500 subscribers before you have to start paying. But then as you're paying, your subscribers are going to be making you money, hopefully on a daily basis, because you're going to be emailing them daily. Now, if you don't know what to email them, that's fine. I can set you up with a bunch of emails that will take you for the first 30 days. And then you can kind of just rehash those, or you can go get swipes from, if you go into the affiliate areas, Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank, a lot of the programs already they'll have, 2 or 3, some 5 or 6 swipes you can use. I wouldn't use those exact because a ton of affiliates are using them. I would take little snippets of it. Make your emails short and sweet and little snippets of it. Once in a while, I do kind of short emails, and I'll throw a long one in just to kind of keep my audience kind of checking it out. And if you guys want to, jump on the link below. Oh, I should change this. Look at that. I should edit that. Here, let's do a live edit, guys. What do you think? Ta-da! Oh, that didn't look good, did it? Oh boy. That's what happens when you do stuff live. Okay, so special deal for you guys, since you guys stuck around to the end. If you want me to set this up for you, I will set it up for you. You basically go and set up your ClickFunnels account. I will go into your ClickFunnels account. I will bring in the campaign. I will set it up. Whatever landing page you want to promote, I'll send it to them. If you need help getting your getResponse all connected with your ClickFunnels or your aWeber, whichever one, as long as you guys get the tools from me, I will help you set it up and get it going for you. And then I'll even show you, and we can jump on Skype or we can jump on Facebook Messenger or whatever. I will even show you which groups I'm doing it in. So you could start literally having this set up like by a couple of buttons. Like in 30 minutes, we could be posting into Facebook groups and having people hit your landing page, right? And boom, right into your email list. And by tomorrow morning or even this evening, maybe you're going to have 5 or 10 people that you can send an email to immediately. Like that's how it's going to work. And from there, you just continue to build your list. And this way you're generating free traffic. Now, if you want to, 10x it, I've got some other tools for you, but it's going to cost you some money because really this is a very free kind of a slow drip process. Now, if you really want to speed up and you want to start getting 30, 40, 50 leads a day, then I've got a tool, my number 1 list builder down below. Definitely want to check it out, but it will cost you some money. It costs about, what did it work out? I think it works out to be about, I think it's like $14 a day, $10 to $14 a day is what it's going to cost you. But guys, in no time at all, you can have a very large list. And a lot of people say every person on your list your list should be worth about $10 per person per month. So if you've got $1 a person per month. So if you've got a 4,000 person list, you should be making about $4,000 a month. You have a 10,000 person list, you should be making about $10,000 a month. Now that's not guaranteed, of course. I don't know how often you're going to be emailing them. I don't know what offers you're emailing them. If you're emailing them very low offers, then it's gonna be less. If you're emailing them fairly high ticket items, then you could do that with just a few referrals for the month, and it would average out to whatever you wanted to do. So guys, that is basically it in a nutshell. Now, if you want this system, make sure you tag me, put a comment below, or just click on the link. Click on the link, the very first link in the description. Opt in. You'll be given the page. If you want to do it yourself, fine. If you want help, just reply to the email that you get from me, and then say, "Hey, Glenn, can you help me? I saw you on YouTube. You know, if you can, you know, we can reach out and I'll get you guys set up. And if you have any other questions about the higher ticket items or the faster list building, just message me. But make sure you opt into this so you see how the system goes. You can always opt out. All of my emails have an unsubscribe button, so you want to make sure of that. We'll set you up right so you're not doing anything silly. Most of the autoresponders make you have to do all that stuff anyway. So that is it, guys. Simple, simple, simple. 10 minutes, and you can start building your list and selling anything to that list. And guys, if you want to use this now, you can look at the page and say you don't want to make money online. Maybe you want to do weight loss. Well, you can take this exact same model and just change the text so it reflects on what list you want to be building. In fact, if you want to build 5 niches, right? Maybe you want to do health and fitness. Maybe you want to do financial. Maybe you want to do travel, right? Well, you would just change that headline to slightly a different headline, and then you would go post it into those groups. Like so let's say you wanted to weight loss, right? So before you try to make money online selling weight loss products, you need to watch this, right? Boom, they put their email in there. You send them an email saying, "Hey, here's, if you want to use this, you can use this." And by the way, you send them to a health and weight loss offer right away. This is this is it, guys. And then from there, you just start scaling up. You start testing. You take my landing page and you build your own. You test it against it. And that's what's great about ClickFunnels. The split testing is really, really easy. So anyways, I don't want to go on. Make sure you hit the link below, get signed up, and then definitely reach out to me and we'll get you set up ASAP. I'm not going to charge you anything for it unless there's like 100 of you. Then I'll probably have to change it. So I'll make it a cap at 100. I'm only going to help 100. If you're the 101st person, I'm going to charge you $1. All right, guys. Have a great night. Talk to you soon. Bye.